Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Nubia Neo 2. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Then click Let's do this and click Sign in. Now you have to select Google. And then click Use Pattern and you have to enter your lock screen pattern. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. Now click I agree. And then click Accept. Now click on Supervise. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And here you have to scroll all the way down, and now you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next. Now click Allow. Click Next again. And click Done. And now as you can see, my parental controls are set up, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.